party, and you're invited too. My friends here in the house can't wait to meet you. Why don't you go around the back for me? I've just got time to put the finishing sparkle on things.
Jimmy, who's setting off them explosives? It's you crazy cowhands over there. Whoa, hold it, you meddling mare. Get back to the stable. I'll see you all at the party. Now you best get out of here or you might catch a stray one. Hey, folks, what you trying to do? Blow me through the roof? I was just getting my 40 winks. You keep your mouth shut, you flea-bite varmint. Now move along, partner, so you'll soon be dodging bullets. Hey! Someone take a look at the pipes. Seems like we got ourselves a flood in here. Oh, hey! Can't y'all see I'm busy? Did someone burst a dam? I'm up to my neck swimming in here. Hey! Can't a man get 5 minutes on his own around here? I'm trying to get clean.
Arr! Seems I've been lumbered with all the hard work in the kitchen, shipmates. And if those other fools don't come and help me, oh no! Oh, blundering barnacles! How can I be picking up all these broken plates with just a hook? Ahoy there, mateys. I'm a good sailor on the ocean waves, but I be completely out of my depth in the kitchen. Arr! Oh, shuddering sharks! Does anyone have any more plates? Arr! Oh, can you give us a hand here, mateys? I be wobbling more than when I'm walking the plank. Whoa now! Oh, scuttling codfish! Those plates were me nans! Arr!
Turned this party upside down.
It's really dancing on the ceiling, folks.
High time we shook things up around here.
Feel free to stay with us anytime you like. Easy